Understanding welding table, an essential tool in metalworking. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific term used in the world of metalworking: welding table. Understanding such specialized terms not only enhances your vocabulary but also gives you insight into various professions. So, let's dive in and learn about what a welding table is and why it's important. A welding table is a robust surface used by welders to perform welding tasks. It's not just any table. It's designed to withstand high heat and heavy objects. Typically, these tables are made of steel and have a flat, sturdy surface. They are essential in ensuring that welding tasks are performed safely and effectively. The key characteristics of a welding table include its durability, heat resistance, and stability. Why is a welding table so important? In welding, precision and safety are paramount. A welding table provides a stable and secure surface for welders to work on. It helps in avoiding accidents and ensures that the welded joints are strong and precise. Without a proper welding table, the quality of welding work can be compromised, leading to unsafe structures or products. Welding tables come in various sizes and designs. Some have adjustable heights and surfaces that can be tilted or moved for different welding positions. Others have slots or clamps to hold the metal pieces in place. The choice of a welding table depends on the specific needs of the welding project and the preferences of the welder. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a welding table is and its role in the world of metalworking. Remember, in English, many terms like welding table carry specific meanings tied to certain professions. Learning them not only expands your vocabulary but also your understanding of different fields. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.